God is your refuge. Psalm 46, 1. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. When storms come, whether outside your window or inside your heart, God doesn't leave you exposed. He becomes your refuge, your safe place, your anchor in chaos. You don't have to carry the weight alone. In moments of anxiety, fear, or sadness, you can turn to the one who is always present, always strong, always faithful. Take shelter in him today. Let his presence calm your spirit, and his strength give you courage to face whatever lies ahead. He is not far. He is right there with you.